Now we're having a little bit of trouble pushing our base pin back in, and I was looking for an obstruction, and I didn't have the obstruction, and so then I went and I looked right up here at the top of the base pin, and I don't know that the camera can pick it up, but your base pin has a half moon seat that basically seats along the bottom side of your barrel. Now that has to be lined up with the bottom of the barrel to get us to slide that base pin. You can see how much easier that base pin is now. We're going to make sure we keep that lined up. We're going to take our cylinder, we're going to put it in the right-hand side of our frame. We're going to do what we did earlier. We're just going to spin the firearm. We're going to have it in our right hand. Index finger on the base pin latch. And we're just going to wiggle that. There we go. And then we're just going to slide that base pin in. Now, if you look here, when I have the base pin out, my firearm's in working order. But in actuality, my base pin is not latched in. If you can see here, as you look in at the side of this firearm, you'll see a half notch cut in to the bottom of the base pin. That needs to lock in with our base pin latch. So at this point, that's when I stop depressing my base pin latch, and I'm just going to use my finger, and I'm going to push down the base pin the rest of the way until it clicks. You hear that click there, and then I just do a quick pull. Base pin doesn't even move. Shut my loading gate. I'm going to do a quick glance over, make sure everything's in working order here. Everything's looking pretty good. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to do a final wipe down of our clean Blackhawk.